Welcome to Jason versus the Moon. This is the third part in the series. Is NASA taking real pictures, or are they making fake pictures look real? More research is needed, but I think this is interesting enough to show people right now. Well, will I be doing, real briefly? I'll be adjusting the levels in Shotcut, which includes these here. You'll be seeing that through the video. This will show boxes, superimposed images, issues with the NASA.gov images, in my opinion. I'll give you the ID so you can look up each photo. Then I will show you the original NASA photo. After that, I will show you the same photo with the levels adjusted. Feel free to read this. I will be showing this since I show it on every video so far. Let's go ahead and move forward where we were. So this is the Earth's moon in its waning gibbous stage. NASA ID ISS 058E024106. I've already done a little bit of everything here. Let's see if we can't get a little bit bigger of a picture, and we'll start with gamma. And you can see that we've got a decent amount of, I guess, what you would consider JPEG artifacts, but I don't know. Why would the purple and all that around the moon also go up over around this area? You can see it's just kind of like an explosion of this stuff going north of the moon. We just got this weird stuff. So, don't know. Not real sure, but excuse me. Very strange. Moving on to the next one, Dawn Gateway View of Sirius, NASA ID PIA 19049. Already you can kind of look at this and kind of ask yourself, like, you know, is this a serious image? Is that serious to anybody? Let's go 100%. Let's go 200%. Is that serious? Okay. There's gamma doesn't affect it, probably because I'm on the wrong one, like I always am. So here you can see, wow, actually you take away gamma, it makes it smaller, add gamma, makes it bigger until it kind of pixelates out. Here is literally, you don't see any type of artifacts out in space. You just see the little pixels in black. Well, and gray and white. So my question would be what is this? Anyway, garbage to begin with. The next one is One Special Day in the Life of Planet Earth Close-Up, NASA ID PIA 17170. I believe, if I remember correctly, this one didn't have any actual issues. Let's go ahead and check it out. Gamma's all the way up. Bring the white all the way down, and it actually just takes away all the white. Okay, now we do this, and you know, you don't really get too much. Now you see this kind of stuff, but I mean, that's not really the same as what we see in other photos. Whenever we're messing with the levels, you can kind of see, you know, just little areas where they're kind of boxy looking. Down here, there's a bunch of kind of yellowish, but anyway, pretty much not really anything, because that can be probably viewed from possibly I don't know. That could be faked. I mean, who knows? It's just no fakery when I adjust levels, as I can tell. We'll move on to Hubble captures vivid aurora in Jupiter's atmosphere, and the NASA ID. Go ahead and just pause the video and read that, or just type in the title here. One quick thing I want to mention about this is, I'm going to check the time, is this image has already been compared to, I think it was a 2016 image, but maybe it was a different year, where they basically added in the aurora up here, and you can see that everything else on the image, if they put them next to each other, is the same cloud formations, the red spots in the same area. All of this stuff here is the same, all of this stuff is the same, and then they just basically added this. So this was basically proven fake from the beginning. What we'll do is adjust the levels. Well, of course, why would I have them already on there? So we'll go gamma. Okay, we do get a little bit of boxiness. We get some stuff going on up here. As you can see, right? Let's bring out that. You can kind of see, we'll go in, actually let's just do 100%. You can just kind of see some of the stuff going on around the edges here, especially at the top there. And I have nothing else. That is pretty cool, but just kind of what we get. Jupiter with IO crossing. NASA ID is PIA00455. Okay, you get the levels, and you immediately see all of space is no longer black, it's filled with stuff. I don't know what you call that. I'm sure someone's going to say JPEG artifacts, but it's real weird to me that to compress a picture, it would leave the quality of the planet pretty decent and make all of black space turn into all of this weird looking stuff. Doesn't make sense to me. Once again, I'm not a professional photographer or anything like that, but it is weird. There you go. That's just way out there, dude. I mean, say what you will, but I think we've got some shenanigans. I mean, you want me to believe that that is a shadow from this? Huh. Strange, man. Anyway, moving on. This will probably be the last one. The Earth and Moon, NASA ID PIA00342. This one I don't remember, but we're going to find out together right now. And let's throw the gamma up. And so far not real bad. There is some stuff. Alright. You can see the moon's not even perfectly round. Well, I guess it's claiming the shadows here, so still kind of strange. I think we can all agree on that. And just to give it a little bit of different effect there, you can just kind of see all the stuff. So, you know, possible JPEG artifacts, I don't know. But there it is. We'll see what time we're at. We're at 9 minutes 39 seconds, so that would be the last one for this video, part 3. I've got some more stuff. I'm not going to be one-sided on this. I've got some NASA images of shuttles taking off here on Earth or being in Earth's atmosphere that do not show any type of JPEG artifacts. Yet I'm sure they've been compressed down, but we'll take a look at some things like that coming up in the next videos. Thanks for watching.